Hi there. Today I'm going to explain to you or show you a rule that's not very well known at all, and it relates to the game of Uno. And so what I've done is I've found the rules, little paper slip that has all the rules of Uno on it that comes in each deck of Uno, with each deck. And what I've done is I've photocopied those rules to make them a little bit bigger so it makes it easier for you to see. And this rule relates to the draw for wild card and when you're allowed to actually play that card. So look at that, the top highlighted bit. You may only play this card when you do not have another card in your hand that matches the colour on the discard pile. So what does that mean? So there's the pickup pile, and that's the discard or the chuck out pile for Uno. And say for instance this is my hand. I've got a yellow, a red, a yellow and a draw 4, and the top card is a yellow, and because I've already got one yellow or two yellows in my hand, then I'm not allowed to play that draw 4 on top of that one. I've actually got to have none of those yellows in my hand before I can play that the draw 4 card. And this is different to the wild card, because the wild card you can play that whenever you like and doesn't matter what cards are in your hand, but the draw 4 card is different. And so that's the rule, and then the penalties if you do. And we'll look at the rules again, and I've highlighted them down the bottom. If guilty, the challenged player must draw 4 cards instead of you. And so what that means is that if you actually, if I was to play that draw 4 card and the person who has to pick up 4 challenges me, then and I show them my cards and they realise that I do have yellows in my card, yellow cards in my hand, then I must pick up 4. But I must pick up 4 instead of the person who was going to pick up 4, the next person in turn. However, if the challenged player is innocent, then the challenger must draw 4 cards plus an additional 2 cards penalty. So that's a total of 6 cards. If in fact you are legally able to play that draw 4 card, then the person that's challenged you must pick up 6. But if you were cheating, then you must pick up 4 for playing that draw 4 card. Okay, so that's a pretty unknown rule, I think, from the game of Uno, but it's a rule that's worthwhile knowing and worthwhile playing correctly. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.